Here is a list of some popular AI tools, grouped by category. Machine learning. TensorFlow. Keras. PyTorch. Scikit-learn. Apache Mahout. Theno. Caffe. Microsoft Cognitive Toolkit, CNTK. MXNet. Weka. Computer Vision. OpenCV. GPU Computing. NVIDIA CUDA. Deep Learning. TensorFlow. Keras. PyTorch. Caffe. Microsoft Cognitive Toolkit, CNTK. MXNet. Natural Language Processing, NLP. IBM Watson. GPT-4. Hugging Face Transformers. NLP Architect. Reinforcement Learning. OpenAI Gym. Cloud AI Platforms. Amazon SageMaker. Google Cloud AI Platform. Rule-based systems. AI systems that make decisions based on a set of predefined rules. They are typically limited in their capabilities and can only perform specific tasks. Machine learning. AI systems that can learn from data and improve their performance over time. There are several subcategories of machine learning, including supervised learning, unsupervised learning, semi-supervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Deep learning. A subset of machine learning that involves training artificial neural networks on large amounts of data to make predictions or decisions. Natural language processing. AI systems that are specialized in processing and understanding human language. This includes tasks such as sentiment analysis, language translation, and text summarization. Computer vision. AI systems that are specialized in processing and analyzing visual information, such as images and videos. This includes tasks such as object recognition and image segmentation. Robotics. AI systems that are specialized in physical tasks, such as manipulating objects, navigation, and control. Expert systems. AI systems that are designed to solve specific problems within a particular domain, such as medical diagnosis or financial forecasting. Cognitive computing. AI systems that are designed to simulate human thinking and problem solving, including tasks such as pattern recognition and decision-making. General AI. AI systems that are capable of performing a wide range of tasks, similar to human intelligence. Currently, this is a research area and there are no commercially available AI systems that can be considered general AI. Top 20 Artificial Intelligence Tools for Content Writers. Introduction. Artificial intelligence is changing the way we work, including content creation. In this video, we're going to explore the top 20 AI tools for content writers that can help streamline the content creation process and improve content quality. Grammarly. Grammarly is a writing assistant tool that uses AI to detect and correct grammar, spelling, and punctuation errors. It also provides suggestions for sentence structure, word choice, and tone, making it a valuable tool for content writers. Hemingway. Hemingway is a writing app that uses AI to analyze text and provide suggestions for improvements. It helps writers simplify their writing, avoid passive voice, and use clearer sentence structures. Copyscape. Copyscape is an AI-powered plagiarism checker that ensures your content is original and free from plagiarism. It compares your content to millions of web pages to ensure that your content is unique. Yoast. Yoast is a WordPress plugin that uses AI to optimize your content for search engines. It provides suggestions for improving the readability, SEO, and overall quality of your content. ClearScope. ClearScope is a content optimization tool that uses AI to analyze top-ranking content and provide suggestions for improving your own content. It helps you understand what your target audience is looking for and what type of content is most likely to rank well. Acrolinks. Acrolinks is a content optimization tool that uses AI to analyze your content and provide suggestions for improving its readability, tone, and consistency. It also ensures that your content is consistent with your brand guidelines. Atomic Reach. Atomic Reach is a content optimization tool that uses AI to analyze your content and provide suggestions for improving its engagement, readability, and shareability. It also provides insights into your audience's interests and preferences. Textio. Textio is a writing assistant tool that uses AI to help you write better and more inclusive content. It provides suggestions for avoiding bias and improving the inclusivity of your writing. Quillbot. Quillbot is a paraphrasing tool that uses AI to rewrite text in a more concise and readable format. It can help you generate new ideas and improve the quality of your writing. WordEye. WordEye is an AI-powered article spinner that can rewrite your content to make it unique and more engaging. It uses natural language processing to ensure that the rewritten content makes sense and is grammatically correct. Jarvis. Opening shot of a person sitting in front of a computer typing on a keyboard. Narrator. As a content writer, your goal is to produce quality content that engages and converts your audience. But with the ever-increasing demands of content creation, it can be challenging to keep up with the pace. Cut to a shot of a person looking overwhelmed and stressed in front of a pile of papers and books. Narrator. That's where artificial intelligence comes in. AI-powered tools can help you streamline your writing process, optimize your content for search engines, and even generate content ideas. Cut to a shot of a computer screen displaying various AI tools. In this video, we'll share with you the top 20 AI tools for content writers that can help you take your writing to the next level. Transition to a shot of the Jarvis AI tool. Transition to a shot of the Jarvis AI tool. Our first tool is Jarvis, an AI-powered writing assistant that can help you write better, faster, and with more confidence. Jarvis is an AI-powered writing assistant that can generate content for you based on your input. It can help you write blog posts, social media posts, and even product descriptions. Phrase. Phrase is a content optimization tool that uses AI to analyze your content and provide suggestions for improving its structure, readability, and engagement. It also provides insights into your audience's interests and preferences. Articulo. Articulo is an AI-powered content generation tool that can write articles for you based on your input. It uses natural language processing to ensure that the generated content is high quality and relevant. Zest is a content discovery platform that uses AI to curate and recommend content based on your interests and preferences. It can help you stay up to date with the latest trends and insights in your industry. Topic. Topic is a content research tool that uses AI to analyze millions of web pages and provide insights into the most popular topics and keywords in your industry. It can help you find new ideas for your content and ensure that your content is relevant to your audience. Phrasee. Phrasee is an AI-powered email marketing tool that can help you write more effective,